Every once in a while, a piece of technology comes along that completely shatters our understanding of value, performance, and physical limitations. For decades, the tech industry has forced us to accept a frustrating compromise. If you wanted a desktop computer that could handle heavy video editing, complex coding, or high-end creative work, you had to buy a massive, heavy tower. It sat under your desk like an absolute monolith, sucking massive amounts of electricity from your wall, spinning loud fans that sounded like a jet engine taking off, and throwing off enough heat to warm up an entire room. On the flip side, if you wanted something small, compact, and elegant that could cleanly fit into a minimalist desk setup, you had to settle for a machine with terrible thermal management and underwhelming performance that choked up the second you tried to push it. But Apple is about to render that compromise completely extinct. Deep within the supply chains, a quiet revolution has been brewing, and it all centers around Apple's most underrated, yet most strategically important desktop computer, the Mac Mini. The upcoming release of the completely redesigned Mac Mini equipped with the M5 generation of Apple Silicon is not just an incremental step forward. This is the moment the compact desktop becomes the undisputed king of computing value, and it is poised to change the entire landscape of consumer tech forever. To truly appreciate why the M5 Mac Mini is causing such a massive panic among Windows PC manufacturers, you have to look at the sheer engineering ambition driving this design. Since its inception, the Mac Mini has shared roughly the same physical footprint. It was a sleek aluminum square, but it was designed back in the era when it had to house hot, inefficient Intel processors and massive internal power supplies. When Apple transitioned to their own M-series chips, they kept the same box, which meant the inside of the Mac Mini was mostly empty space. The chips were so efficient that they barely needed any room to breathe. But with the M5 generation, Apple is completely throwing out the old blueprint. They are shrinking the enclosure down to an unbelievably small footprint, making it roughly the size of an Apple TV. Imagine a fully realized professional-grade desktop computer that literally fits in the palm of your hand. You can slide it into a backpack pocket, carry it between your home and your office, or cleanly mount it completely out of sight behind a monitor. But do not let this tiny, ultra-compact form factor fool you into thinking this is a casual, lightweight machine. What Apple has managed to pack inside this miniature aluminum chassis is nothing short of industrial-grade magic. At the absolute core of this machine lies the M5 chip, built on a highly advanced, ultra-dense architectural process. By shrinking the microscopic pathways inside the silicon, Apple has managed to pack billions of extra transistors into a footprint smaller than a postage stamp. This means the communication distance between the processing cores, the graphics engine, and the memory is practically zero. The latency is entirely gone. When you boot up this machine, everything happens instantly. Apps open before your mouse clicks finish. Navigating through massive data-heavy operating systems feels completely fluid. But where the M5 chip truly flexes its muscles is in heavy, sustained multi-core performance. The CPU configuration features a hyper-optimized blend of performance and efficiency cores that work in absolute harmony. For everyday tasks like browsing dozens of resource-heavy web tabs, managing massive spreadsheets, and